Hey there, folks. The other animals, terrified, ran away as fast as they could. The fox was just having a little fun. He was just a clever fox, using his wits to have a bit of fun. A story of cleverness, resourcefulness, and never cause harm to others. If you enjoyed this story, always use your wits for good. And subscribe for more exciting tales today. We're going to dive into a fascinating tale about a cunning fox. So, let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a cunning fox who lived in the deep, dark forest. One day, the fox decided to play a trick on the other animals in the forest. Oh no! This fox was clever, resourceful, and always one step ahead of the game, but guess what? He wasn't a scary creature at all. And that, my friends, is the tale of the cunning fox. I hope you enjoyed this little tale as much as I did. Thank you for joining me today. Please don't forget to like, share. Until next time, stay cunning and stay safe. This story is filled with intrigue, cleverness, and a bit of mischief. This fox was not your average fox. He knew that they were all afraid of him. So he decided to use this to his advantage. The fox started to make loud noises and pretend to be a fearsome creature.